Everybody, this is your Dr. Sargam Soni. Firstly, thank you for such amazing responses to all my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, tips to gain weight. I have been routinely asked so many times that please make a video on how to gain weight, on all the tips to gain weight. So today I'm going to share with you all the important tips which will help you to gain weight. The first and foremost thing, as I always say, is take a chill pill, relax, breathe easy. Now let us start with all those tips. Start incorporating milk in your diet. Milk is a very healthy weight gainer or a muscle builder for decades. It not just provides you enough amount of balance of protein, carbohydrates and fats, but it is also a good source of calcium, vitamins and other minerals. Start incorporating milk in the sense, if you're used to having your oatmeals in water, please start incorporating full fat milk instead of it. Now when I say that it is important to incorporate milk in your diet, is that don't just go on a clean milk diet, but start incorporating milk, at least a glass of milk per day in your diet. There are other high fat smoothies that I'm going to talk about. Is you can have these homemade protein smoothies. They are a quick and a nutritious way to gain weight. I would recommend you to make them at home rather than going on for those commercial smoothies that are available in the market, because anything that is homemade is much more purer and better. So you can try the chocolate banana smoothie. You can add hazelnuts to it. You can add full fat Greek yogurt to it. You can add peanut butter to it. You can add walnut butter to it. And please start having avocado, which is again a healthy fat. You can add avocado smoothies along with spinach and apple, and you can have a caramel apple shake, vanilla blueberry shake. So start adding a lot of berries and full fat Greek yogurt and avocado, which is again a very healthy fat, banana, which will also help you to gain a lot of weight. You can add pineapple into your smoothies, and you can also add whey protein. Whey proteins are a very cheaper way to help you gain weight and gain muscle as well during your and after your workout. So having healthy smoothies, homemade healthy high protein rich smoothies is again another tip to gain weight. The first one we already discussed is milk. Now rice is another important ingredient which helps you to gain weight. A cup of white rice provides you roughly around 204 calories and around 44 to 50 grams of carbohydrates and very little fat. So if you want to gain weight, start incorporating white rice into your diet daily. You can add healthy fats like your olives, again avocados in it, which will again help you to gain weight. You can add scrambled eggs with rice as well. That is again a healthy protein and a fat if you take the entire egg yolk as well along with the egg whites. So yes, I want you to start having egg whites as well, because that is again a very high protein rich food. Start having nuts and nut butters. You can start having peanuts, walnuts. You can start having peanut butter. So almonds are not just a rich source of the healthy fat, but also they are rich in fibers, they are rich in calories, they are rich in proteins as well. So start having healthy nuts and nut butters in your diet. Another important thing to have is red meats. Now what do red meats do? Red meat is an excellent source of protein. It helps you to gain weight. The leucine that it contains is very important amino acid which stimulates the protein synthesis, the muscle protein synthesis. So the fatter your red meat, the more calories you will take in. So make sure you start having red meat in your diet. Apart from all the smoothies and the milk and the white rice that I have told you, then there are certain amounts of carbohydrates like your quinoa, oats, corn, buckwheat, potatoes, sweet potatoes, then winter root vegetables, beans and legumes. These are also healthy source of starchy carbohydrates which are going to help you gain a lot of weight. Another healthy fats, as I have always told you, that you can have avocados, you can have olives, you can have homemade cheese if you can make it at home. Please start having that. Start incorporating milk in your diet. Start working out. It is very important to work out, because if you have a lot of healthy protein, you would want your muscles to be healthy, and until and unless you make your muscles work, they are not going to really hypertrophy, or they are not even going to be strengthened in case if you just keep stacking on all the proteins and fats and carbs and not going to work out at all. So it's very important to go for weight training. Weight training really helps you to gain on that lean muscle mass or even the muscular hypertrophy, whichever weight you desire to gain for your own body. So make sure that you do weight training at least 3 to 5 times a week apart from the other workouts. Do less of cardio because cardiovascular exercises tend to burn a lot of fat. So decrease the cardiovascular exercises and increase your weight training frequency. So that is really going to help you. When I say decrease cardiovascular exercises, I want you to not really cut down on the proportion of the HIIT and TRX and skipping, swimming and running and jogging, all that you have been doing, and focus more on your weight training, because weight training targets the muscles, causes the development and hypertrophy of the muscles. So the food that you eat will be shown on your body in the form of a healthy muscle. Now these are all the tips to gain weight in a very healthy manner. When I say that you need to gain weight, you need to eat all the healthy stuff, I still want you to remember that please do not have processed sugars, please do not have processed food, cut down on your artificial sugars and sweeteners, cut down on your alcohol, cut down on your smoke, because all of these are really harmful for the body, and you do not want anything that hampers your health. So if you want to gain weight, have a goal of gaining a healthy body weight. I don't want you to stack up on immense amount of calories. I want you to have a nutrient dense food along with a calorie dense food. So I want you to have a calorie dense food which is equally nutrient dense as well. Do not stack up on having unhealthy foods and cheese and butter and pastries and artificial sugars, sweeteners, cola, aerated drinks, etc. They will definitely make sure that you gain weight, but that weight is going to harm you because it can lead to abnormal changes in your hormones in your body. It can land a person into high blood pressure. It can cause the clogging of the arteries if you're having a very unhealthy fat, and it can lead to increase in cholesterol and triglycerides level. So when I say that these are the tips for weight gain, these are tips for healthy weight gain, because I have practically told you all the healthy foods and the healthy activities that you should do just to gain weight. So you're going to stack up on your proteins, you're going to stack up on your carbohydrates, you're going to stack up on your fats, but all of these and each one of these is going to be a very healthy, preferably home food. Whey protein, definitely you can have it from outside because it's a very affordable way to stack up on a significant amount of protein and satisfy the daily protein requirement, especially if you belong to a vegetarian diet. So these tips are very important. And last but not the least, if you feel that you still haven't been able to gain weight which is supposed to be which is expected that you should have gained by now, please go and see a doctor, consult a physician. There are certain problems like hyperthyroidism and other problems as well, which lead to a constant decrease in a body weight. There are other diseases as well. There is tuberculosis, there is hyperthyroidism, there are many other diseases which make sure that the patient doesn't gain weight, and it keeps constantly, the weight keeps dropping despite all the efforts. So please, I request you to go and consult a physician in case if all your efforts are going in vain. There's no harm in seeing a doctor. We are all here to help you. Make sure you seek help at the right time. So these are all the basic tips to make sure that you gain weight. Start incorporating all this healthy food in your diet. And if you still have any queries, feel free to contact us on this number that is given here, or you can drop in your queries on the comment box, the comment section here. And if you've liked this video, please make sure that you share it with your loved ones, you like and comment on this video. I'm going to see you again with another interesting topic. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay healthy and happy. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.